Hello children, this is Ms. Mariam and welcome to my classroom. We are going to have a grammar class today and we are going to learn about noun and pronoun. So let's learn about noun first. What is a noun? A noun is the name of a person, place, animal, thing, sometimes an idea as well. So take a look at this. When I say a person and if I say that my name is Miss Mariam, then which is the noun over here? Miss Mariam. That's the noun, right? Why? Because it names a person, namely me. Okay, moving on to place. So an example of place would be that Dhaka is a big city. When I say Dhaka is a big city, we have two nouns here. One is Dhaka, which names a city. The other is city, which tells me the name of a place. So what is the name of a place over here? City. What is the name of the city over here? Dhaka. So you see we have two words over here, Dhaka and city, and both of them are nouns. Similarly, you can get words like village, town, country, park, beach, seaside. All of these are actually nouns because they tell you about a place. They name a place, right? Moving on to animal. All the animals that you have seen in books and in real life, all of them have a name and all of these names are nouns. For example, cat, dog, zebra, giraffe, lion, hyena, leopard, alligator, birds, insects, and so on. Moving on to things, everything that you see around you could be a pen, a paper, a pencil, a chair, a table, a book, the light, the fan, etc., etc., etc. All of these are names of things. So now we understand that the words that name a person, a place, an animal, a thing, and an idea, all of these are called nouns. So what do I mean when I say idea? It means naming something that you can feel but you cannot touch. Idea nouns are names of feelings or qualities that you can feel but you cannot touch. For example, bravery, courage, kindness, honesty, headache, pain, all of these words are idea noun. So if you are in a younger grade, you will not be needing this. However, when you move on to senior classes, that is when you will be needing this idea noun. Now, I will specify this, and those who are in the first grade and second grade do not need idea nouns, but when you are in the third grade, growing up, right? That is when you need to know about idea nouns, okay? So now, let's move on and take a look at these examples. The man is walking. What's the noun here? A word that names a person. Man, right? Number two, this is a big house. What's the noun here? The word that names a place, and it has to be house, right? So that's a noun over here. The dog is barking, the name of an animal, dog. I have bought new sunglasses, name of a thing, sunglasses. These are nouns, man, house, dog, and sunglasses because they name a person, a place, an animal, a thing, okay? These are nouns. Now we want to move on to pronouns. The word sounds similar. There's a noun and a pronoun. So pronoun has the word noun in it. Let's see the connection. Now what is a pronoun? I am not going to tell you. You will have to figure it out yourself. I'm going to show you what is a pronoun. You tell me in the comment section, in your opinion, what is a pronoun. So after this lesson, I would like you to go to the comment section and put in the definition of pronoun for me. Okay, so let's see what is a pronoun. Look at this example. Salman is sleeping. To all the Salmans out there, hi, and I hope you're not sleeping. I hope you're watching this video. So let's move on. Salman is sleeping. Now I want to change this word. By the way, can you tell me what is this word? This is the name of a person, which makes it a noun. right? So Salman is a noun and I want to still use this sentence without using Salman's name. What can I do? I can use this word. This is he, because Salman is a boy. Had he been a girl, then I would have used she. If we had used the name of an animal over here, then we could have used it. Okay? So Salman is sleeping, all right. Instead of Salman, I want to use he. He is sleeping. And there you see, I have actually used this and replaced this, right? So what is a pronoun? This is a pronoun. I'm still not giving you the definition. You're still writing it for me, okay? So now let's move on to the next example. Onaisa writes a story. Onaisa goes to school. Onaisa talks to her friend Oriana. Before I continue, to all the Onaisas there, hello Onaisa, hi Oriana. And now take a look at the example again. Onaisa writes a story. Onaisa goes to school. Onaisa talks to her friend Oriana. Onaisa this, Onaisa that, Onaisa is this, Onaisa is that. Now how does that song? Onaisa, 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 Onaisa being repeated again and again. When you are using this in a sentence or in a bunch of sentences, it does not sound nice. So what do you have to do? You have to replace the word Onaisa with something. Instead of the noun Onaisa, you will have to write something else. I am giving you a clue as to what the definition of pronoun should be. So let's try again. Instead of the noun Onaisa, we are using another word. What is this another word that we can use? Can I call one of my younger friends? Her name is Sama. She can come and help us a little bit. Sama, would you mind, please? Hi, Sama. How are you?
Hello, Miss. I'm fine. Thank you. How are you, Miss?
I'm fine. Thank you, my dear. Sama, we need your help. I need you to look at the board, read this example, and instead of using Onaisa here and here, write a word which we can use, which sounds nice. Oh no, she's cutting this off. That felt very painful. Well, now I understand how children feel when teachers cut off. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, Sama. Sama has used the word she over here, and one thing I have learned from Sama today, never to cross out the work like that. It hurts. So now what do we want to do is, we want to understand what is the word, hint, clue, what is the word that we have used in place of a noun. We have used she over here in place of a noun. And this is what a pronoun is. So let's read this group of sentences again. Onaisa writes a story. She goes to school. She talks to her friend Oriana. Sounds so much nicer instead of saying again and again, Onaisa did this, Onaisa did that, right? So Onaisa did this, she did that, she went there, she told me that. Sounds nicer, doesn't it? So children, this is what a pronoun is, where you use a word to, oh, I am not going to tell you that, because if I do that, then you get your definition. So once again, please put in the definition in the comment box. I am not going to give you the definition of pronoun today. Let's see if you can write it down by yourself. Now for some reason, if you can't, it's still okay. You can put it in the comment box that you do not know how to define pronoun. I'll get back to you with the right answer. Okay, so now let's continue with the lesson. I have a list of pronouns here. I would like you to copy them down, please, and make sure you have this list with you. Mind it, this is a very short list that I've given you. There are many more pronouns apart from these. These are the most common ones, and we'll be using them in the next few lessons as well. So the pronouns are I, me, us, we, you, your, he, she, they, them, it. Apart from these, there are other pronouns are, ours, yourself, yourselves, themselves, their, his, her, him. All of these are pronouns. Okay. Alright, we are done for this lesson today and I shall get back to you very soon with another lesson. Please remember, I have given you some work to do, which is to define a pronoun and take down this list of pronouns and keep them with you. In the next class, we want to do different kinds of pronouns. I'll see you soon. Till then, take care of yourselves. Stay safe, be good. This is Miss Mariam signing out.